make a quick malt vinegar aioli. It's a fake aioli because we're starting off with mayonnaise as a base. This is just going to be for the top of the burger. So that's just about a cup and a half of mayonnaise. This is some malt vinegar.
What would make it a real aioli? Just
if we
putting it
start
together with the eggs
with
and
egg
everything.
yolks and olive oil
Okay.
and stuff like that. This is just more along the lines of like a quick on the fly sauce for your burger. This is about a tablespoon worth of hot sauce. We're going to give it a big squeeze of lemon.
Oh, that smells so good already.
And this is just a little bit of, this is about a teaspoon of onion powder. And we're going to match that with about a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then season it up with salt and pepper. Pepper, and salt. And then we are going to go back to mixing up this.
Oh, that looks so good. And oh, thank you. Oh, it's so good.
Yeah, it's really good on French fries.
Oh, and the salt, it's perfect.